hungry fox. Wait, why is there a bakery in the middle of the forest?
Hey, Flamey, how's it going? The third key's right around here.
Hey, tried the cinnamon buns? I've baked them myself. The icing-y.
Priorities, Johnny Baker. We have to find a key before we can eat.
But you're eating now.
No time for arguments.
Here comes the riddle. Look!
A curtain of gold falls between you and what you need. There's no curtains in this place.
I'm more of a blinds guy myself. Curtains catch fire. Nobody's got time for that.
But something gold is falling.
What? Where?
Lava!
Well, that's not really falling. It's more... Ah! Sorry!
This is the place. You were right again, Em. I need my powers to keep the lava curtain open. What do we do?
I don't know. None of us can even get close.
Ira, build a heat-resistant, fireproof key grabber thing.
Guys, wait. Could we maybe just get the fox to help?
That's awesome, Emily. And I think Azari's already on it.
Get the key, boy. To cool down.
Right, of course. Well, thanks, Flamey. You're the best. Yes! We have 3 out of 4 of the keys now. This is great.
One more, then off to the castle.
Woohoo! Nobody tried my cinnamon buns. You don't know what you're missing. I told you about the icing, didn't I? Buttercream!
The key keeps moving. And so crazy fast. Look, sparks are flying off the map.